equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed maintenance guide for your tower. Today, we will walk you through the essential steps to keep your tower in top condition. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a screwdriver set, a soft brush, a vacuum cleaner, and a cleaning cloth. These tools will help you perform a thorough maintenance check. Start by turning off the power to your tower. Safety is paramount, so ensure that all electrical connections are disconnected. Once you've done that, remove the outer casing using the appropriate screwdriver. Be sure to keep track of the screws. A magnetic tray can be handy for this. With the casing removed, you can now inspect the internal components. Look for any dust accumulation, especially around the fans and vents. Use the soft brush to gently dislodge any dust, and then use the vacuum cleaner to remove it. This step is crucial as dust can impede airflow and lead to overheating. If you find any components that appear damaged or worn, it's best to consult a professional. Remember, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice without any pressure. Next, check the wiring and connections. Ensure that all cables are secure and free from fraying. If you notice any issues, it's advisable to replace them immediately to prevent further damage. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get the help you need. Once you've completed your inspection, it's time to clean the internal surfaces. Use a damp cloth to wipe down the interior, being careful not to disturb any sensitive components. This will help maintain a clean environment for your tower to operate efficiently. After cleaning, reassemble the casing carefully. Make sure all screws are tightened securely, but avoid over-tightening as this can cause damage. Once everything is back in place, reconnect the power and turn on your tower to ensure it's functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of costs. Plus, with our no calls, no travel policy, you can get the help you need without the hassle of leaving your home. In summary, regular maintenance of your tower is essential for its longevity and performance. By following these steps, you can ensure that your tower remains in excellent condition. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to contact us for support. Thank you for watching, and happy maintaining. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.